Next activity is change size, the steps for which are again the same. And this is the instruction set to be given to this particular sprite. Further, they have given one instruction, set size to 100%, and they says that this instruction will reset the size of the sprite. In order to begin this particular activity, we will open our Scratch existing project and we will go to the sprite library and take a new sprite, for example, this one, and place it on the game stage accordingly. In order to give the instruction to this particular sprite, so the first instruction from the events category is going to be when we are going to click on this. So the size is basically supposed to increase and decrease, and that is also going to be continuous. So we will take this repeat block and say change size by 10. So default value is 10. We can give different values also. And likewise, a similar loop in order to reduce the size. So that would be again repeat 15 times and change y by 10. And this time, in order to reduce it, make it small, we can give minus value here by minus 10. And when you click on this particular sprite, so it's going to change the size of the sprite like this. Further, what they had was one instruction called set size to 100% that will bring the sprite to its original size. So now with this particular loop, every time you click on the sprite, it is going to increase the size. And now if we try it, so it is giving you a pumping effect. And now when we click on the instruction set size to 100%, so it is getting back to normal. One more time, getting back to normal.